Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingdaily.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you another card using the Peaceful Moments, or actually Painted Poppies out of the Peaceful Poppies suite, which is this one. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, I'm going to link to them on the description here. But you're gonna see that these two suites are part of a big collection. Now, Painted Poppies goes with painted labels, as you can see, and Peaceful Moments go with Poppy Moments. And what you're gonna see is that actually the dies from this one kind of coordinate really well with the sentiments on the Peaceful Moments, and then of course the dies on the Peaceful Moments make the gorgeous poppies that you can see here. And let me just show you one so you can see it. So you're going to be able to build those really cute little flowers. So let's just get started with this. I have here a piece of Whisper White. And this one is, let me just give you measurements. I think it's 3 3¾ by 5. And I have a piece of real red. And this one's 8½ by 5½. We're going to go ahead and fold it in half as usual. Use your bone folder to get a really crisp fold. There we go. I have here the stamp set, the image that we're going to be using. And let me bring here a scratch paper. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use that one. Now for this one, I'm going to go ahead and actually use a Station, because I want to color it using my aqua painter. So when you use aqua painter, which is with the water, you need to be using a Station. And if you were to use the blends, you could use, or you should use the oh my goodness, the Memento ink. So that's one thing to remember there. Okay, there we go. And really nice black image. Oh yes, set one another here. Actually, let me just put this for a second. I just don't want to have any of those. Maybe I do want to have those here. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Much better. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to close. Well, actually, yeah, let's just close this for a second. I don't know yet my sentiment and what else I'm going to be adding, but what we're going to be using is I'm going to bring the real red, and this is the old type of ink pad, so I can squeeze it. But if you have the new one, you can just put a little bit like of your ink on the acrylic block, and you'll be able to pick up the ink out of there. So now I have here a little bit of the a little bit of water and the ink, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and start coloring. And you want to be a little bit messy, if you will, just to add a little bit to it. There you go. So just go over the flowers. Just pick up more color. And there you have it. Alrighty. And you just need to be a little bit messy Just don't get to hang up on all these things. Alrighty, we're almost done. Alright, and I know I get too quiet when I am coloring. But just because I tend to concentrate a little bit more. So, you're gonna just keep coloring. You just pick up color. And there we have it. So, now that we have these, we're gonna go ahead and add a sentiment. So for this one, I think it would be nice if we add, which one? I think it would be nice to add the one that says thank you, don't you think? So let's just add that one. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring again Station. This is supposed to be a really quick and simple card. There we go. And then I'm gonna bring the double side or double stitch, is that right? Double stitch satin ribbon. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna go ahead and fold this in half, and I'll show you here in a second what I'm gonna be doing. And we're gonna be doing a knot. Okay. And then we're gonna be adding this one probably here. So I'm gonna cut somewhere here. See it like that. We're gonna trim a little bit this side. And then this side as well. Oh, there we go. And then we're gonna be adding glue dots. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and put this one right there. Alrighty, and then we're gonna add another glue dot right in this side. And there we have it. We're gonna go ahead and glue this onto our card front, and you're gonna be done. You're gonna get a gorgeous, simple card that you can send your friends to thank them. So here you have it. Is that not really cute? It is very simple. I love how it looks. I love all those little puppies, and definitely the watercolor look looks fantastic. And you can see here, you can see it's kind of messy. You don't want to go all over and cover everything. You just want to have that messy look around it. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video and you're watching this on YouTube, please give the thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here somewhere you're gonna see a little button to subscribe, and then click the little bell so you get notifications for when I upload the next video. And if you're watching this on Facebook, do like the Facebook page because it really helps me a lot. So thank you so much, and I appreciate all your support. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.